A little bit more. Good. Now, the pin is still touching, and we're at
47.
Well, I get, when you look at it head on, you're negative 46. Okay, so we have 2 thousandths delta so far. Go ahead, another 90. Good.
Not touching.
Okay.
One away.
We are negative 46 and a half. Negative 0.465, whatever. Okay, only 5 thousandths. 5 thousandths change. Point. So that's not bad. Go ahead. And by the way, these are zeros in front of this. Okay, stop. This is where the mirror comes in. Okay, we're still in the same spot. Can you see that?
Yep.
Okay, so you're negative 48. Are we still on the same side of the 50? Or are we
Yep,
on the other
you're on
side?
the same side.
Same
Okay.
side.
So we are
Snap it.
negative 48. We'll check it. 49 actually. Okay, so as you can see, we're gonna just come back to the same number. So go ahead, rotate it one more time, Marky. A little more. All right.
That's
Did we
good.
land up in the same spot?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay, so we're negative 48. That means our tooling didn't move, because normally you can go around one time, and if it moves, it's going to be a little bit different. We ended up at exactly the same. So from these 2 points, you are 0.0015 difference, and here to here, you're 0.003 difference. The zero, you can be allowed up to a total of 10 thousandths on your dial indication run out. You divide it by 2, that's 5 thousandths radial center. That's Tremec's rule. That's what we promote. It's in all of our instructions.